This is Jonathan Gaworth with another 60-second sermon. One of the miracles of the mun, the manna from heaven, that the Jews ate in the desert for 40 years, was that when it was collected, they found out when they came back to their tents and measured that they had exactly the correct measurement. Day in, day out, day after day. The ones who collected more ended up with the right measurement. The ones who collected less ended up with the right measurement. But why would somebody try to collect more if he wasn't going to get any benefit from it? The answer is that the person who collected more was a tsar ayin. He was stingy. He would look at what he collected and said, that doesn't seem like that's sufficient. And he would collect more. And Hashem would step in and miraculously it would be exactly the right amount. The person on the other hand who had an ayin tov, who was an optimist, would look at it and say, looks good to me, it's great, I'm sure it's fine. And Hashem made a miracle that even if he had collected less, he had the right amount. So it turns out that having a good attitude meant you worked less in collecting the month. That's a fantastic miracle and a great lesson. And remember, having a positive attitude may not solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort.